What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and either clean or replace the air filter on a 2003 Honda CBR 600RR. I found some other videos online that show you how to do this, but some of them say you have to take this gas tank off, you have to remove this wiring harness and move that and the fuel line. That's not true, you don't really have to do that. I found a much easier way to do it, so I figured I'd just make a video and show you guys, so hope you enjoy. So basically, once you get this tank cover off, it's just some Allen head screws. There's gonna be like 2 on the sides, 2 up front here under the steering column, and then 2 in the back. Once you get that off, it should look like this, and then you're gonna have all of these Phillips screws right here, these black ones around. There's like 8 or 10 I think of them. So you're gonna want to just remove all of those quick. All right, so once you have all of those out, this plastic piece should come right off. You can set that down. Then this is just kind of loose. It'll just be out of the way. And then this just pops right off, this cap. And you can just lift it up, kind of. There is a cord connected to it, but then here's your air filter. There's going to be 1 screw right here at the top. Then there's going to be that one right there on the left side, and then the same thing over on the right side. There's another one right down in there. So just loosen those out, and then your air filter will come right out. The screws just kind of stay in there, but you just loosen them. Your air filter should just pop right out. Kind of just slides up. And then it's hard to do this with one hand. So now I got my wife videoing. You can just move this lid out of the way, and your air filter should be able to slip out just like so. And there you have it. So you can either just straight up replace.
The thing is nasty.
Yeah, it's all dirty. You can either straight up replace this, or you can try and blow it out if you're trying to save money or whatever. You don't have to replace them, but it's a good idea to replace it if it looks bad. Make sure you don't drop anything down in here, because that would be really bad. That goes into your engine. Yeah, and that would not be a fun time. So yeah, that's just a simpler way to do that without having to remove the tank and the wiring harness and moving the fuel line like some people. But that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed or found it helpful. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.